Peller and Jarvis' wedding was more than just a celebration of love. It was a spectacle. From the outfits to the decorations, the entertainment, the guests, and everything happening behind the scenes, this wedding looked like serious money was involved. But here's the question everyone wants answered. How much did Peller and Jarvis actually spend on their wedding? Was it 50 million naira, 100 million, 200 million, or even more? Today we're going to break down the numbers, separate the confirmed figures from the estimates, and find out what this wedding may have really cost. But first, there's one number that immediately caught our attention. For Peller and Jarvis' wedding, the official 8-yard Aso Ebi was reportedly sold for 700,000 naira. That's not 7,000. That's not 70,000. 700,000 naira for one package. And according to reports, around 400 guests were expected to wear it. Now let's do the mathematics. 400 people multiplied by 700,000 naira. That's 280 million naira. But there's an important catch. That does not mean Peller and Jarvis spent 280 million naira on Aso Ebi. That figure represents the potential value of the Aso Ebi purchases by guests. It's money connected to the wedding, but it's not necessarily money coming directly out of the couple's pocket. And this is exactly why calculating the cost of a celebrity wedding can be complicated. Because some numbers are expenses, some are gifts, and some are simply money moving around the celebration. Then there's the venue. A wedding of this scale doesn't just require a beautiful hall. There is the venue itself. Then comes decoration, flowers, lighting, stage design, LED screens, sound, power, security, and dozens of people working behind the scenes. For a luxury Nigerian wedding of this scale, a reasonable market-based estimate for venue and event production could easily run into tens of millions of naira. Let's use a conservative working range of approximately 40 to 90 million naira for the venue, decoration, staging, lighting, sound, and related production. But remember, this is an estimate. There is no publicly confirmed invoice showing exactly what Peller and Jarvis paid. And that's going to be the rule throughout this video. Whenever we know the actual number, we'll tell you. Whenever we are estimating, we'll tell you. Then comes one of the most expensive parts of any celebrity wedding: fashion. Jarvis didn't have just one look, and neither did Peller. There were traditional outfits, wedding looks, accessories, makeup, hairstyling, shoes, and everything needed to create those picture-perfect moments. For a regular wedding, fashion can already take a serious chunk of the budget, but celebrity weddings operate differently. Designers, stylists, luxury fabrics, custom fittings, jewelry, professional makeup, hair, and sometimes multiple outfit changes in a single day. Based on luxury Nigerian wedding market prices, a reasonable working estimate for the couple's combined fashion, beauty and styling could be somewhere around 10 to 25 million naira. Again, this is an estimate, not a confirmed figure. But this is where Peller's wedding gets really interesting. Peller reportedly revealed that he bought a television broadcast van for the wedding. And the reported price? $36,000. At an illustrative exchange rate of 1,500 naira to $1, that's approximately 54 million naira. Think about that. A broadcast van costing more than what many Nigerians would spend on an entire wedding. The reason? Peller wanted the wedding broadcast to viewers around the world. And this raises another interesting question. Should we count the entire 54 million naira as a wedding expense? Not necessarily, because unlike food, decoration, or venue hire, the van is an asset. It can potentially be used again after the wedding. So instead of calling it 54 million naira spent on the wedding, we should call it a major wedding-related investment. And that distinction matters. Now let's talk about something every Nigerian wedding guest remembers: food and drinks. If you're hosting hundreds of guests at a luxury wedding, catering isn't cheap. Imagine hundreds of meals, drinks, servers, tables, crockery, catering equipment, cake, desserts, and all the logistics required to keep everyone fed and comfortable. If we work with an estimated guest count of around 400 and use a high-end catering allowance, the food and guest experience alone could easily run into tens of millions of naira. A reasonable working estimate could be around 45 to 65 million naira, depending on the menu, drinks, and level of service. And again, this is our estimate based on luxury market pricing, not a figure officially released by the couple. Then there's entertainment. The DJ, the MC, live performances, sound, lighting, celebrity appearances, photography, cinematography, drone coverage, live streaming, and social media content. A modern celebrity wedding is no longer just an event. It's also a production. Every major moment has to be captured. Every outfit needs photographs. Every entrance needs video. Every celebrity appearance can become content. For a wedding of this scale, we could reasonably estimate another 15 to 30 million naira across entertainment, photography, cinematography, live streaming, and digital content. And that brings us closer to the big question. But there are expenses guests rarely see: security, transportation, accommodation, fuel, generators, event staff, ushers, planners, drivers, parking, logistics, emergency expenses, and all the little things that can quietly add millions to a major wedding budget. This is why the final bill for a celebrity wedding can be much higher than what viewers see on camera. And now, let's talk about the biggest numbers associated with Peller and Jarvis's wedding. During the wedding celebrations, reports also emerged that the couple received a mansion reportedly valued at around 400 million naira. 400 million naira. That's more than the estimated cost of the wedding itself. But here's the important part. It was a gift. So we should not add 400 million naira to the wedding bill. The same applies to other reported gifts and pledges connected to the celebration. A gift received by the couple is not automatically money they spent on the wedding. And that brings us to our final calculation.
So after putting all of these categories together, our working estimate places Peller and Jarvis's actual wedding expenditure somewhere around 120 to 230 million naira. Our midpoint? Approximately 175 million naira. But let's be clear, this is not the official wedding budget. Unless Peller and Jarvis release their actual expenses, nobody outside the planning team can know the exact final amount. What we can do is estimate the cost based on publicly reported figures, what was visibly provided at the wedding, and current luxury wedding market prices. And perhaps the most interesting thing about Peller and Jarvis's wedding isn't simply how much they spent. It's how much attention the wedding generated. A 700,000 naira Aso Ebi, a $36,000 broadcast van, millions of naira in estimated production costs, and hundreds of millions of naira worth of reported gifts and assets surrounding the celebration. So was it a 400 million naira wedding? Probably not. But was it one of the most expensive and highly produced creator weddings we've seen? The numbers certainly make the case. This is Nigerian Wedding Diary, and if you want us to break down another celebrity Nigerian wedding, you already know what to do. Subscribe.